going to use DIY paint in the color Apothecary. I want to just kind of dry brush lightly the Apothecary. Next step is going to be putting a top coat, and I'm going to use Big Top from DIY Paint. I'm going to let the top coat dry. I'm going to use the Iron Orchid Designs Decor transfer on the project. Because of time, I've already pre-cut the floral transfer. You want to be really careful as you're trying to determine what your placement is going to look like to make sure that you don't remove the backing until you're ready. I want this rose to be right in the middle so I can remove the backing, and then I'm just going to slide my hand over the decor transfer so that it is adhered in place. Now I would suggest getting your frog tape and putting some frog tape onto the transfer so that it does not move. And this is the tool that you're going to use to scrape the transfer onto the surface. Once you have adhered your transfer to the surface, the next step is to take a soft cloth and burnish the transfer. And really all you're doing is removing any air bubbles. So we're going to hang this up on the wall and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Here is the final project. Now, Iron Orchid Design Decor transfers come in a large sheet like this, and they have the actual transfer and then a backing, and they also have grid lines to help you cut. So what I like to do is to take a look at my surface and look at the size of my surface and cut out the transfer into different pieces, like I've done here, and then kind of determine how I'm going to put it onto my piece. And on this project, the whole transfer will not fit. But what's fun about the Iron Orchid Design Decor transfers is that you can cut them up and you can use them on multiple projects. So one decor transfer could actually be like 3 different projects. Thanks so much everyone for tuning in to Hometalk. I'm Cynthia Nessel at Create With Cynthia. Now go out there and create something.